is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
Well, it's winter weather for most, but we do have some rain along and south of I-96 this morning, and the winter weather is going to be the focus in terms of impacts here this morning. We got a handful of school closings coming in Allegan, Van Buren, a little bit of Kalamazoo and Calhoun, but then you got to get into Ionia County and north of Grand Rapids, where we're seeing the significant school closing numbers just because of the slushy back road accumulations. Most of the highways, though, are still slick this morning, as we did see 1 to 3 inches of snow last night, and now it's really compacting with this rain and the warmer air kind of condensing it as well. So that freezing line goes just into northern Kent County. That's where you're seeing a little bit of green. Not a lot of moisture, though. Grand Rapids up to Muskegon. That's going to change. We're going to see this snow here start to funnel in as that north wind shifts and the low continues to drift to the east. Big Rapids, northern Newaygo, northern Oceana counties, really consistent snow is going to be up there for the majority of the day. Could see up to 4 inches of new snow on top of what we saw last night. Notice, though, visibility is low for most of West Michigan, for Grand Rapids, 4 miles in Battle Creek as well. The view in Grand Rapids still have the ice on the Grand River, but we have slushy accumulations pretty much everywhere else. This is a good indicator of what it looks like down near I-94. This is Coldwater. Notice roadways, barely any slush, but it is really wet down there as well. The slush starts mainly Allegan, Hastings, and then I-94 south. The slush is more relevant on some back roads that really haven't seen a lot of traffic volume since it began. 40s along the lakeshore, but that is going to change. We're back to 27 in Hart, and that cold air is funneling in. You can see the north wind setting up north of Grand Rapids. That's going to shift, and by about 9 a.m. we should have a pretty strong northwest wind, and that's going to ramp up through the day. Wind gusts will be upwards of 35 miles per hour. Wind chills will be back in the teens as air temperatures fall back into the 20s. As we look now, there's that warm front. Again, right on track with our forecast, thinking that warm front and the freezing line was going to go just north of I-96 briefly. Well, it's done exactly that, and now we're waiting for it to drift back south. I-96 northward is where we're anticipating the most snow here through the day today, and that means the worst travel impacts. Slushy roadways, especially 96, 196, and M6, parts of 131, but downtown Grand Rapids and a lot of the metro area of 131 has been well treated this morning. We're still looking at that pace to end up with 2 to 6 inches of new snow I-96 northward. Grand Rapids saw 1.5 inches up to midnight last night, and then another inch really after that. So if we get 3 inches of snow this afternoon, well, this forecast is right on schedule. Notice by it's like 8 a.m. we really see that snow start to funnel back in. Low visibility, slushy accumulations continue to ramp up. Good news is salt works right now, considering how warm temperatures are, and we're going to stay in the upper 20s even this evening, so it's not going to be a hard freeze until we get after midnight. With that being said, there will be some light lake effect snow into Thursday, mostly cloudy skies, quiet conditions. A system just misses us to our south, and then as we head into Friday, we'll have another clipper system pass through. We're looking at a few weak systems over the next few days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Most of those are really only going to be paired with 1/2 inch to 1 inch of snow. The bigger focus is a cold air mass moving in. After today, we're in the teens by the time we get to the weekend as cold air funnels in, but I think the long-term forecast is going to show a little bit of a thaw heading into Christmas week.